If anyone ever tells you that publishing is free, know that that is not a publishing truth. Here's one hard truth. People lie often. Publishing will cost you. How do I know? Because in my first year, I spent $11,873.42 trying to promote my books. Not write them, not edit them, promote them. And I want you to wait 1 minute before you make that same mistake. Because when you are spending the money, it does not feel like $12,000. No, it feels like a boosted post here, a small ad campaign there, a graphics tool, maybe a video service, a podcast fee, a book promotion page, a few author copies mailed to people you hope will read them, a subscription you forgot to cancel, maybe even another platform that you use, another opportunity, and before you know it, you have spent thousands trying to get people to notice your book. But here's the hard part. Sometimes they still do not. So in this video, I want to take some time to unpack this and give you a hard truth about what it could cost you if you're not careful, but also give you practical strategies to prevent what happened to me from happening to you. You know, promotion is often where authors panic and get discouraged because it can be a lot. They start thinking, maybe I need one more ad, one more promotion, one more person to post my book. Then the inbox messages start coming. Hey, your work caught my attention. It looks really clean and well put together. I help authors with promotion, covers, visibility, and branding. Are you working on anything new? Now listen. Sometimes that may be a real professional, but sometimes it is a sales pitch dressed up like affirmation. And when you are new to the whole authorship aspect of it, that can mean that it gives you a message where you feel good because somebody noticed your book. But pay attention because it's not always opportunity. Sometimes it is noise. So what did I learn after spending almost $12,000? Number one, go into every launch with a set budget, not a we'll see what happens budget, a real number. Decide what you can spend on ads, tools, promotion, author copies, and events before the emotions of launch hit. And once you set the number, do not keep moving the line because the book is not moving yet. That is how $50 turns into $500 and $500 turns into thousands. Number two, ask seen by who? People will offer exposure. Instagram pages, podcast spots, book trailers, promo blasts. But being seen by random people is not the same as being seen by readers. Before you pay, ask, does this reach my actual audience? Does this fit my book? Does this support my goal? And number three, fix the foundation before you fund promotion. If your cover is confusing, your title is unclear, your description is weak, or your audience does not know who the book is for, more visibility will not fix that. It will expose it. So before you pay for traffic, make sure your book page answers these three questions. What is this book about? Who is it for? Why should I care? Those three questions. Number four, track what worked. Do not spend money and guess. Use specific links, watch clicks, track sales, and write down what you spent and what happened. Because one of the worst feelings is realizing the money is gone, but you still do not know what it did. So no, I'm not saying never invest in your book. Invest wisely. Editing matters. Your cover design matters. Formatting definitely matters. But marketing can matter as well. But spending money is not the same thing as having a strategy because strategy tells your money where to go. Panic lets everybody else decide for you. So before you buy the ad, boost the post, pay for the promo, or respond to the inbox pitch, ask yourself, does it fit my budget? Does it reach my reader? And can I measure the result? And most importantly, Can I afford this for it not to work? Because your book deserves visibility, but your budget deserves protection too. So I want you to grab the free 30-day book launch truth plan at keywordsunlock.com, because your marketing budget should not be built out of panic. It should be built out of strategy. If this video resonates with you, hit that subscribe button so that I know to continue making great content like this.